as practice, and it is another one where we have to factor completely. And so you can see again that there are three terms here. We have a trinomial. We're going to try to factor it. So we're first going to look, is there a common factor between everything? You know, is there something we can divide out of everything here? And there is not. There's no GCF there that we can do. So we're going to go ahead and do the AC method, or factor by grouping. So we'll go ahead and just do what we've done before. We're going to take our A times our C, which in this case would be 42. And then our B value is negative 17. And then again, we need to think about what is going to multiply up to 42 top and is going to add up to negative 17. So that's going to be 14, so this is going to be 14 times 3 is 42. And we want that to add up not to positive 17, but to negative 17. So is that still going to work? Yes, we can make both of these negative. So this still multiplies up to positive 42, but then this adds up to negative 17. Sometimes when you are going through this, it might take you a little bit of time to think about the factors and what multiplies up to 42 and things like that. That's okay. Once you have it, we're going to rewrite it. So we're going to take our 2x squared. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in and split the middle. So we're going to have a minus 14x plus a negative 3x. Notice that if it's my second term, I'm always, instead of saying minus 3x, I'm saying plus a negative 3x. And then we will keep the plus 21. So we just took the middle term and we split it up into these two terms that we found from our AC. Same thing as always now, we're going to go ahead and group it. So we group the first two, we group the last two, and we're going to take out, in the first group, we're going to take out a 2x. Second group, we're going to take out a negative 3. Always going to take out a negative if we need to make that first term in the group positive. So, rewrite this, we're going to take out the 2x, we're going to take out a negative 3, and what do we have left over after we divide these GCFs? We should get the same thing. In this case, we're going to have x minus 7, and this is also going to be x minus 7, which is perfect. So now we're going to recombine this. We're going to take our 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 becomes one of our main factors, and then our shared common factor between these two large terms is x minus 7. There's our answer. And again, if we want to reverse this process and double check our work, we can simply multiply our answer out and we should get the original problem. Okay, so it would look like this. We'd say, okay, 2x squared, if I'm going to multiply that out and distribute, be minus 14x minus 3x plus 21. When I start to multiply this out, notice what I'm getting here. Like this right here is basically what I started with up here. And that's how I know I did it right. An easy way to check your answer. So this is correct right here.